যেন এই ভারতের মহামানবের সাগর তীরে। এখানে যদিও কোনো সাগর নেই, আবার সাগর আছেও বটে। সে সাগর মানুষের সাগর, যাকে বলে সি অফ মেন। আর সাগরের মতোই এই সি অফ মেন ক্রমাগত গিয়ে আসতে পড়ছে ত্রিবেণী সঙ্গমে। গঙ্গা, যমুনা, সরস্বতী এই 3 নদীর সঙ্গমস্থল। এই ত্রিবেণী সঙ্গমকে ঘিরেই এই কুম্ভ বা মহাকুম্ভ মেলার আয়োজন। কিন্তু এর পেছনে কি কাহিনী রয়েছে একটু শুনে নিই। গুড মর্নিং। Today is a very special day, and we are also with a very, very special person for millions of people all around. Padma Bhushan Sri Aim is founder of Da Satsang Foundation, an educationist, and I don't know what to say about him, but he needs no introduction basically. So, and because this is a Mahashivaratri day and we are right here at the Prayag Mahakumbh, bang on the Sangam Ghat, so to say. So my first question will be to you, what is the special significance of this Punya Kumbh and Shahi Snan, if I may say so?
So, Kumbh, they say that the early Puranic history is that when the Samudra Manthan happened and the Asuras took the Amrita and ran, and then they had to get it back from them, some Amrit spilled and fell in 4 places. I mean, this is the Purana. And one of them is Prayagraj, the other is Ujjain, then Nasik and Haridwar. These are the 3. So, the Kumbh is celebrated in all these places. Now, it's called Kumbh because of the Kumbh in which the Amrit was carried. It's also called Kumbh because here is like a big cauldron, Kumbh. Now, the earliest records we see is during Harshavardhan's time that there was a Kumbh. But then it gradually, even Hoensang wrote about the Kumbh during Harshavardhan's time.
The Chinese traveler.
Then it kind of became dilute. So came Adi Shankar Bhagavad, who decided that this should go on here, Kumbh in all these 4 places. So he organized this for the first time in the Kumbh, in which first it will be near a holy river where people can go and have a dip. Now Ganga, Yamuna, they say underground Saraswati, we can't see, but this is the concept. So he organized this Kumbh, where people from all the denominations and all the paramparas in this country can come together in one place for a holy dip, and on certain auspicious occasions when this is star position is set. So there is Kumbh, there is Ardha Kumbh, there is Purna Kumbh. Now this is called Mahakumbh because it happens once in 100 years or so.
144.
They say, we don't know exact calculation, about 100. So this is therefore called the Mahakumbh. So all the people who come for the Kumbh, they all come. It's supposed to be also for the paramparas to sit together and discuss matters. I don't know how far this is going, but certainly all paramparas of sadhus, from the Naga Babas who don't wear clothes to the Shankaracharyas who are very ritualists, all are here. Then there is the Juna Akadas, then there are the Niranjani Akada, there are many, and the Nathpantis. Everybody is here. This is the importance of the Kumbh. And so therefore, even if you say that some of them are not spiritual, this, that, some people say that. But if one spiritual person is there in the middle somewhere, hiding, that is enough to bring about the change. To my belief.
রবি ঠাকুরের দেশের মানুষ আমরা, তাই দেবতার গ্রাজ কবিতা শোনেনি এমন লোকের দেখা পাওয়া মুশকিল। আমরা ওই কবিতাতেই শুনেছি কিভাবে পুণ্য লোভাতুর মোক্ষদা অলরেডি ভর্তি হয়ে যাওয়া একটা নৌকোয় কোনো মতে একটু জায়গা করে নেওয়ার জন্য করুণ কাকুতি মিনতি করছে মিত্র মহাশয়কে। এমনকি তার নাবালক ছেলে রাখালকে মাসির কাছে ফেলে রেখেই। সেই ট্র্যাডিশন কিন্তু সমানে চলেছে। পুণ্য লোভাতুর মানুষের ঢল অবিরাম এগিয়ে চলেছে ত্রিবেণী সঙ্গমের দিকে। যেন ডুব দিলেই সব পাপক্ষয় আর তাৎক্ষণিক পুণ্য লাভ। কিন্তু ব্যাপারটা কি সত্যিই তাই?
Is this concept of pap and punya? People who come here, most of them come here with the belief that once they take a holy dip, it will be,
True. It's a ritual, but always in all religions, water has been associated with a cleaning agent. Even Christianity, how do you baptize? You pour water in the head. You get a dip in the wind. Jesus met John the Baptist crossing the river, made him dip in the river, and then said, now he is the one who is going to take. So, water has always been associated. When the Muslim goes to prayer, he has to wash all his feet, and even if he doesn't have a bath, he has to wash. Water se hi hota hai clean. So, water is by nature divine. So, it has a connection with this process of, and you feel, now I have washed everything. There is no time, or I would have told you the story of the origin of the Ganga. Ganga told Bhagirath that I will not come down because there are hundreds of papis taking a bath and my water will get dirty. Bhagirath said, but it comes from Gomukh, which is in the Himalayas. Great sages live there in the Himalayas, including Mahadev. So one such person taking a dip is enough to wipe out millions of papas. So the water will get constantly purified. So don't worry, please come. So she said, okay, I am coming.
that's how it done. This Amrit, which is like nectar, it gives you immortality. But doesn't it not defy the concept of immortality? Because the moment you say that you go there, take a holy dip, holy bath, and then you become immortal.
No. If you take a holy dip, you don't become immortal. Take a holy dip to purify your body and to get a sense of relief for your mind that I have washed off. Not that you will become Amrit, deathless, because that is something which we have to do our own personal sadhana. But in such places, the influence of various holy men is there, so it could improve. Your effort can improve. Amrit really means undying. Amrita. So that is our true essence, which is never born, therefore never dies.
That which is born has to die.
Has to. Including all this. Tomorrow you will go and see in the town, many akhadas have been removed. Now, nothing is there. This will also go. But as long as you have something, some structure to stay, then there you build up your inner being. Physical things collapse, including kumbh, everything.
কোনো পাপ পুণ্যের অঙ্ক কষে নয়, অমৃতের সন্ধানে নয়, অমরত্বের লোভেও নয়। যেন আমাদের এই দেশটাকে নতুন করে একটু খুঁজে দেখব, নতুন করে আবিষ্কারের জন্য সমস্ত দনমনোভাব, সমস্ত বাধা কাটিয়ে আমরা মহাশিবরাত্রির দুদিন আগে কলকাতা থেকে বেরিয়ে পড়েছিলাম এলাহাবাদ বা অধুনা প্রয়াগরাজের উদ্দেশ্যে। আর গাড়ির স্টিয়ারিং হাতে আমাদের সঙ্গী বা সারথি খালিদ।
So Khalid was telling us this will be his fourth time taking holy dip at Mahakumbh. So does it not signify some kind of confluence of ideas, thought, religious belief?
Sir, let me tell you. Today somebody may be Khalid, somebody may be Narayana, somebody. But please, in India, 90% of the people in India, whether they are Muslim, at one time they had the Hindu ethos, converted. I'm not saying forcible or not, but converted. Due to various reasons, economic, could be anything. But somewhere in their minds, it is there in the genes that, oh, this is the holy place. I had a Muslim driver some time back. I took him to Haridwar, not Kumbh. So I told him, so he asked me, sir, मैं जा सकता हूँ क्या, यहाँ पानी में डूब सकता हूँ क्या, ये तो लोग सब ब्राह्मण लोग जैसा दिख रहे हैं. So I said, nobody will ask you, कोई नहीं पूछेगा, तुम जाओ. It was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was staying in an ashram. He drove me down from Delhi. You go and you take a dip nobody is going to say anything to you. See how many thousands of people are there. Not like Kumbh, but still. वो गया 1 o'clock वो एक डिप लिया वहाँ गंगा में. We came back. I asked him कैसा रहा. बोला कि सर मुझे पता नहीं सर क्या हुआ. मुझे लगा कि कुछ मेरे खंडों से कुछ वेट निकल गया, उतर गया. मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ अच्छा हो गया हूँ. मेरे पाप सब निकल गए, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. मैंने बोला किसी कोई बताया क्या तुमको? नहीं, कोई नहीं बताया. मैं तो ऐसे ठंडे पानी में डुबकी मार. So, something is there. It also when done with proper respect.
একদিকে কাতারে কাতারে মানুষ এগিয়ে চলেছে এই যে প্রশস্ত সঙ্গম, তার একাধিক ঘাটের কোনো একটা ঘাটে কোনো রকমের একটা জায়গা খুঁজে নিয়ে অন্তত একটা ডুব মারা, একাধিক হলে আরও ভালো. আর আমরা সেখানে রয়েছি এমন একটা জায়গায়, যোগাধাম, সেখানকার শয়ে শয়ে নারী পুরুষ যেন অন্য একটা অবগাহনে ব্যস্ত. সাধুদের অন্নদান, সাধু সেবা, উপাসনা, স্তোত্র, হোম, যজ্ঞ, সৎসঙ্গ, এই যেন একটা সম্পূর্ণ অন্য জগৎ.
Quite interestingly, you go outside, everybody is talking about have you taken the dip, have you taken the dip. But here, once you come in, nobody is talking about taking a dip, or they are in a different plane or two altogether.
Because they are taking a dip in the spiritual atmosphere. No? That's why they are not talking about the outer dip. But I still suggest it's a good idea to have a dip.
But the type of works we have seen here within this premises is Annadan, Sadhu. I mean, this definitely has some special significance.
Of course, there is no better punya for human beings. Punya meaning anything that takes you on to moksha. It's like feeding the sadhus. One doesn't know the significance of feeding sadhus. You will know only if you are a sadhu once. When you're looking around and seeing where good food is available, I have been through. And then you're finding, here, even with one meal, it's a great relief, and you always give prayers. Whoever did this, may he be happy. ये बहुत बड़ी काम है, बहुत बड़ा काम. Also, the Vedas say Annam Brahma. Food is also Brahma.
তাই যদি হবে তাহলে এই যে গত 1 মাস ধরে বা তারও অনেক আগে থেকে এই কুম্ভ মেলা বা মহাকুম্ভকে ঘিরে এত প্রচার, এত বাহ্যাড়ম্বর, এই যে তারকাদের এনে প্রচার, ডুব দেয়ানো, এগুলোর কি প্রয়োজন আছে বা আদৌ কি প্রয়োজন আছে?
So otherwise, do you think all this kind of opulence outside, all making it an event kind of thing, bringing celebrities, this also has, in a way, has some positive connotation?
We have, but it is also part of organizing, part of, what shall I say, media hype. Everything is there, I agree with that. But that is not the essence. That is not the...
That's what I was asking, not the essence.
In fact, if you go, you might see some sadhus living in a single tent. Nothing. They are doing their ablutions, they are going to the Ganga, they are meditating, they are writing, everything is happening.
এই যে মহাকুম্ভ, তা শুধু 3টে নদী গঙ্গা, যমুনা, সরস্বতীর ত্রিবেণী সঙ্গম নয়, গঙ্গা, যমুনা, সরস্বতীর কনফ্লুয়েন্স নয়, এটা যেন একটা কনফ্লুয়েন্স অফ থটস, আইডিয়াস, রিলিজিয়াস ফেথ, আরও অনেক কিছু. তাই শুধু দেশের নানান প্রান্ত থেকে নয়, দেশ বিদেশ নানান জায়গা থেকে মানুষরা ছুটে আসেন এখানে. সেটা আসলে শুধু অবগাহন সেরে একটা পুণ্য অর্জন নয়, এটা একটা অভিজ্ঞতা অর্জন, যে অভিজ্ঞতা ভালোয় মন্দয় মিশে আমাদের সমৃদ্ধ করে, ঋদ্ধ করে. আর সেই এক বিচিত্রই বলবো, বা একটা অন্য ধরনের অনন্য অভিজ্ঞতা নিয়েই আমরা ফিরলাম মহাকুম্ভ থেকে.